Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect to AWS EC2 using Session Manager, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the EC2 dashboard. Ensure you have an active EC2 instance. Check that the instance is in a running state. Make sure the instance is associated with an IAM role that grants access to Session Manager. Open the IAM Management Console in a new tab. Locate the role assigned to your EC2 instance. Verify that the role has the necessary policies, including the Amazon EC2 role for SSM policy. Next, go back to the EC2 dashboard. Select the instance you want to connect to. Click on the Connect button. In the connection methods, choose Session Manager. If you don't see the Session Manager option, confirm that the AWS Systems Manager. You may need to check the instance for the agent installation if you haven't set it up. Now, click on the Connect button to initiate the connection. A terminal window will open, providing you with command line access to your EC2 instance. You can now execute commands directly on your instance. To improve your experience, adjust the terminal window size as needed. Once you're done, you can simply close the terminal to end the session. Review the Session Manager logs to verify actions taken during the session. This log can be found in the AWS CloudTrail service for auditing and tracking purposes. Congratulations, you have successfully connected to your AWS EC2 instance using Session Manager. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.